Welcome back to the computer application class 8. In this part of the video, we will continue your topic networks. In this video, we will discuss about computer network and need of networks. Let's begin with computer network first. Computer network is a collection of computer and devices which are connected with communication channel. People connect computer to a network for the variety of reasons. Some of the reasons are ability to share hardware, software, data information as well as to facilitate communication. A network can be a small in size or it can be in larger in size. We need at least two systems or two devices to establish computer network. Let's see what is the need of network. You can share resources like hardware devices, software programs, data and information with the help of network or via internet. Sharing resources will save your time and money. Basic reason of establishing a network is sharing data and information. We can share data and information easily by using computer network. In the book, they had given the example of a large company that a company can store a database of a customer information on a hard disk for us of the server. Any authorized person, including a mobile user using an handheld computer, can connect to the network and can access this database. Let's take the live example. In this time period, the teachers are sharing the data and information or providing you the knowledge about your syllabus and about clearing the topic, clearing your doubts is all done by the computer network only. Next we have the reason that is a hardware sharing. Hardware sharing is another reason to establish a network. Let's take an example. For example, in your computer lab, if we have 5 computer systems and we want to take out the printout, without establishing a network, we need to buy 5 printers to attach each printer with single computer. But if we will establish a network, then while giving command by any node 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 node indicates computer. Any computer system, if we will give a command of printing, then the printer is able to take out the printout. Here they had given the same example here. The number of personal computers on a network and each one need to use a laser printer. If a personal computer and the laser printer are connected in a computer, each personal computer user can access the laser printer over the network. This line indicates that as many systems which are connected through the network with the printer are able to take the printout. Another reason of establishing a network or a need of network is software sharing. As we all know that if all the systems are connected with each other through the network, whichever information is available in the first system, that all the information can be easily transferred in the system which is connected to the main system. Let's take an example. If I want a particular software which is not available in system B, then system B can access that software by using or by sending the request to system A, and system A is capable to fulfill the requirement of system B through the network. Another reason to establish a network, that is a transfer funds. Through the network, we can easily transfer the money from one account to the another account. At present, we all are sending the or transferring the school fees or your university fees or any particular fees if you want to perform any competitive exam, that all funds are transferred through the network only. That's how we can say that transfer funds is another reason to establish a network. Let's see your book contents. Network allows user to exchange money from one account to another. You all are paying your school fees through the internet facilities only. Both business and consumers use EFT. EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. Whenever you buy anything through the online services, that time also you are using your EFT. Please underline the full form of EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. Example include wireless transfer, use of credit cards or debit cards, direct deposit of funds into bank accounts, online banking and online bill payment. In next part of the video, we will discuss about types of networks. Thank you.